Hey guys, this is Lazy Boy. There's two topics I want to cover today. As you probably can hear, my baffle's back in the bike. There's a reason for this, is because there's some little shithead going around at night just blasting his bike, and it's getting beyond a joke. And so I'm getting the blame for it. So that's why the baffle's in. And the last thing I want to do is get a complaint off. Ask the neighbours, they're not bothered about it. And yeah, but it's not the case of that. But this guy is going around at night blasting his bike. And just creating an absolute ruckus, 12 o'clock of this, that and the other. And I'm getting the crap for it. So I decided to put the baffle in for a couple of weeks, just to show these people I am not making the noise. And I don't ride at that time of night unless I'm working. Or it's first thing in the morning, and even then I will consider putting the baffle back in. But for the time being, my baffle's in for a couple of weeks, and I'm just going to leave it at that. And the other subject I want to carry on, discuss about, is I'm going to Halfords. This is why I'm out and about today, to pick up some tiny ass bulbs. And for my display, because I have noticed on my display I have no lights, and I want to see what I'm looking at, so I'm going to get some bulbs for it. And oh god, way to get some bulbs for it, so I can see what speeds I'm doing at night. And yeah, and I jumped on YouTube to see how you do it, especially on this bike. So I couldn't find any videos or forum links or anything about it, so I quickly investigated it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video of it, and hopefully in the future, for those guys who are riding Sinnis Apaches, they can easily copy what I do and do it correctly, and it'll be absolutely smashing for them, and hopefully they don't make any mistakes. So I'll show them how to do it, hopefully. So, and these bulbs are absolutely tiny, and they really are, they're really small. And alright guys, this is how small this bulb is. Check that bad boy out, it's fucking tiny. Alright guys, we'll be right back. Hey guys, we're back. Okay, what it is you could see my headlights on, and the bulbs work in there straight away, right? But if I do this, there is no light coming out at all. So all of what you need for this job is a screwdriver, especially on a Sinnis Apache. So you got the rubber clips here, and this is where the bike changes. You just undo these clips, and okay, and that one, okay, and you just pull that down and just leave that to rest right there, so it's out the way. And what you need is a screwdriver. That's it. There's 3 screws, here, here, and here. What the trick is, these screws are very small, so if you got a magnet lying around, ideal. But I got these little runners here, so even better, so I know where they are. Undo these 3 screws, and it's basically, that's it. As you see, the bottom is slipping away, and we don't need to be in the top at all. And there's a reason for this, because if you look, there's the 4 bulbs right there. So I'm going to grab the first one. I want to keep the display green, because green looks absolutely fantastic. They're very expensive, these little bulbs. The whole thing cost me like 7 quid, just over 7 quid. And so you just pull them out, slot them in, jam them back in, and push them all the way up, and you just remove the old ones. See, these were blue, so I'm going to put a white one there, so, and hopefully we'll have a bit of a display, because when I first bought this bike, and I did a bit of a nighttime expedition, this side didn't work, but now it'll be awesome with the all green. And remove that, put that there, and God, so it's supposed to be hanging out like that. I don't know. We'll jam it in anyway and see what it does. Right, whack that one in, and get that one out. Get the nice clear one. And get this one in. And alright, you just slip that up. If you've got a magnetic screwdriver, this will help big time. Last thing you want to do is drop one of these and end up losing it. You know, this box rattling around is a pretty simple job. But like I said before, and I've never came across anyone on YouTube doing this, so why not? It's just to answer those questions for those people out there who need those questions answered. And when your bulbs pop and you're riding around at night, it's pretty scary. You don't know what you're looking at. Okay, let's see. And we have lights, and it's got a hint of green in there as well. That one's all illuminated, but I don't know if that one's actually working. But we'll find out later on tonight. Okay guys, this is Lazy Boy. Ride safe, and hopefully I'll see you guys out there. Later guys.